Well, you know, this is more about giving back to the community and helping out what I think is a great organization and a great activity. You know, we may not be tied right against each other, but we're tied pretty close. So, you know, this type of activity is great. I think it's great for family entertainment. It's great for community things of that nature. So I'm just happy that we can have something like this that is very positive, and let's get back on track and get back to doing what we all love to do, which is, you know, fellowship and have fun competing and things of that nature. So I'm glad that you guys were able to make it out, Mike. I appreciate you.
We appreciate you, Big Jim, and the entire Summit Racing Equipment staff up there. We are open for test and tune now, guys. We're going to give you guys a couple hours. Big ups to our track prep crew, our setup team. We're here at 6 a.m. this morning. We got food here just off my left shoulder over in the left side of the track, which is the Plan B racing team lane over here, left lane. We have Crawler Innovations right lane over here. So you will hear us talk about that on the mic. What? What's up, bro?
Give him one of them.
I'm glad you did that to this show.
Make sure I give him one of my cars too. Okay, they get that. How you doing, Mr. Good. This is my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. I go to different tracks all around the world.
Okay. Hey guys, no burning out in front of the rubber mat. All right. So this is test and tune, but we might as well get used to it. And we're gonna let you guys do a little test and tuning. And then we're gonna call you guys up for a driver meeting.
Check my channel out. See if you like.
But yeah, we do not want to burn out in front of the carpet or the mat. Yeah, staging lanes are over here, guys. You can almost do both, you know, and that way the lanes will be a little bit shorter. Right lane over here, left lane over there.
Yeah, so they got me live streaming the whole event. In case you got anybody want to check it out from the outside, didn't get to make it, let them know. Look out here. Look out. Love the networking. Look out. Hey, man, I'll be trying one time for the one time. I ain't know y'all listening. Not Urban be listening, boy. He ain't.
Guys, I got to do something really quick to the tree. Hold on just a second.
Nightbot with the subscribe. Twisted Soul with the gifted X1. And Drift Monkey with the 20 bits. I appreciate all three of y'all. Look out. Let me see what all y'all. Yeah, so they warming up the batteries. Everything. I got the battery on the charger. It feels pretty good today. I might have overdressed, but it said 40-something degrees outside, man. The highest it's gonna get is 60-something. Oh, not Urban, my bad. You be on, what time is it over there for y'all? In the UK? Is it night or day? Okay, damn. We need to call Funky Town up here and make sure we got the. Is it track rules or grudge rules? That's what I don't know. Oh, it's 4:39 daytime. Okay, yeah. It's right on time. Then you at work, man. You got a job. Look out! It's going down, man. You got a job, not Urban. Cause I don't know, old boy, man. If you cross, you lose. We need. Yeah, I see you on there now. It just came up. If it be by grudge rules, yeah, I need to get the. Hey, man, what you know about the track rules and the grudge rules?
Man,
talking about that race here last week.
Yeah. Funkertown said you lose.
Hey, to me, it's always been first foul's worst foul.
Oh, okay. First, okay.
Hey guys, if y'all want
In
instant
other words,
green, just
if
let
you
me
red
know.
light, the
I
race
think
is
these are
over.
some instant
Okay,
green guys.
okay.
Right?
That's what
All
I've.
right, so
That's
we're
what
gonna
I've
go
always
instant
been
green
on.
on this one.
Okay,
You will
okay.
not see any amber.
Well, that I'm gonna holler at.
People argue with you all day long on which way, but you know, there's also, you know, like Shane Morgan said, is it's whatever rules y'all discuss.
Oh,
Yeah.
he stays down. You gotta let me know if you stay down.
First
All right,
or
here we go,
worst.
guys.
First or worse? Ooh, God. They gonna be able to stop.
Safely stopped.
Ah, man.
Down there.
See, it wasn't 'cause he was just all on this wall. I need to. I'm finna get the rules understood, y'all. Right now, they gotta, they making shakedowns. Everybody, I'm standing in the line. This the line, y'all. We got Team Oklahoma in the building. Shout out Team Oklahoma one time for the one time.
Thank you. 918 Outcast Outlaws.
918 Outcast Outlaws. Okay, and you, where you at?
Team Florida.
Team Florida. Okay, we got Team. You with Team Florida too? Or
Canton, Texas.
who?
Canton.
Canton. Okay, Team Canton, Texas in the building. Oh, all y'all Canton. Okay, okay. And y'all already too. Y'all got some. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Where you
All
from?
right, guys, if you do not want
Dallas.
instant green,
Okay, we got Dallas, Texas in the building, y'all.
Here we go. Oh, got you.
Where you from, Mister?
Puerto Rico.
Puerto Rico too? Okay. Shout out Puerto Rico one time. They look like they staging up.
All right, here we go. Thank you, gentlemen up there. Drivers, watch them.
Ah. Oh!
Guys, once you finish that finish line, go ahead and lift. Nice pull.
Golly, he done flew off the track, y'all.
Step back.
Dang. Okay. That line moving kind of quick.
Finish line is right at that checkered
Yeah,
flag.
man. Look out, man. Where you from?
And
Missouri.
Missouri.
smaller
Ooh,
innovations
came
and
out.
Plan B.
I heard from
See, we wanna
Missouri,
move
y'all.
those trash cans
Missouri
back.
in the building.
We are blocking
Where you from, Mister?
our track sponsors. If we
Kansas.
can pull those trash cans back,
Yeah,
anyone, I
from-
appreciate it. Thank you so
Okay, got
much.
Kansas. Got Team
And work
Oklahoma
together
in
here
the
to get this
building.
beautiful
Hey,
day
look
that God
out.
blessed us with. Drivers,
Let's see.
watch them.
All right, here we go, y'all. Oh, shit. This gonna be some wrecks. Everybody ain't. Somebody need a front
Joey
end
Polk,
alignment.
Joey Polk,
Where you
need you up
from,
here
man?
real quick.
Fort Worth.
This
Shout
is for
out
your
to Fort
daughter,
Worth
sir.
one time. Where y'all
Florida.
from? Fort Worth too? Okay. One more shout out for the
Florida,
Funky Town. Where you from, man?
There you go, sir.
Dallas? Okay. Out of D-Town, Oak Cliff. We got Oak Cliff in
Nice
the building, y'all. Oak Cliff, yeah. 405 Oklahoma.
That's
And
the
here he
shutdown.
come
Looks
down
like
here
they
with
took
all
the
this
way
Murder
in.
Nova stuff. Let me see what you got,
But that's
man.
well past the finish
yeah.
line. Hey, well, hold on.
What class you in?
Street Eliminator.
Street Eliminated.
Outlaw or whatever.
Outlaw, he
Whatever
trying
y'all
to.
call it then.
Okay.